Alright folks, we're gonna do something here we should have done a long time ago, so stay tuned. Well, obviously y'all probably know what I'm doing anyways, because I probably got a thumbnail and I've probably got a title to the video. So without further ado, oh snap. Okay, so I've had this bulb out for a while. This one right here, I believe I can actually see it in there. Maybe not, I don't know, but my rear brake light's not working. So we're gonna take this bulb out. I've been waiting for a little while because I don't know, actually I've been waiting for a little bit because I still got a bunch of stuff in my truck that I need to go dump, but I don't want to just yet. So we're gonna take this off, but it looks like there's a couple bolts in here I need to undo, and well, all I got's this screwdriver here. So I don't think that's gonna work, so I'm gonna go get the right tools, so stay tuned. Alright, so this wrench size here was a 5/16. So there's two bolts right there and right there, and I believe that takes off, gets that out of there, and then I think you just pull it. Alright, hold on here. I'm pretty sure you just, oh man, just pull that out. Oh, look at that, that's fun. Oh yeah, I guess that's what happens. I guess that's what happens when you have grass everywhere. I should probably clean that out. So anyways, sorry if this little thing's in your way, but basically you're just gonna twist that bulb, and it's just gonna pull right out. So I can't really see, it doesn't really look broke, but I got some new ones here we're gonna put in, and we're gonna see if that solves our problem. It may not, I don't know. I brought some brighter bulbs, so they say. Let's see, I don't think it matters which way you put those in, but let's go hit the brake lights and see if that works. Oh, tail lights work. So the tail lights are on. I need you to go hit the brake lights. Huh? The brake lights, the big pedal in the truck. Alright folks, let's see.
Which one?
The big pedal.
This one?
Yep, push it. Look at that. Look at that, folks. My brake light's working again. So, simple as that. Thank you. So, simple as that. Just put a new bulb in. Super easy. Now, we're going to line those back up. Line everything back up. And get these. Oh. So, there's a little thing right here on the bottom and on the top. So you're gonna want to get those to line up and those to line up, and then it should just snap into place. However, these ones are off, so I gotta make sure I get those ones. Alright, so I got that back in. I'm just gonna put these bolts back in, and that's that. It's fixed. Voila. Super easy. That's how you fix the brake lights on your Ford F-150 EcoBoost. Booyah!
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way